Hi, I'm Dr. Bronner, and I'm here today to share with you a very exciting new test called the Metabolomix. I've been using this with my patients, having tremendous results by being able to look deeper into what's going on in their body and find out where they may have deficiencies and what they need to actually function optimally. Today, healthcare is in a crisis. With the high cost of medicines, procedures, insurance premiums, this is all forcing people to seek other methods and treatments for their health concerns. People now realize that conventional medicine, or what we call traditional medicine, is woefully limited in treatment options. They're great to deal with symptoms when they arise, but they don't really help you understand what you need to do to function optimally. Looking deeper into your body, seeing what's going on, and seeing what's missing so you can strategically put that back and really function on all cylinders. Especially people who have chronic illnesses or ailments, they've been seeking self-care through many internet resources and do-it-yourself treatments. I'm here today because I want to help guide you through this. I want to help provide you with a framework that has been tried and tested over many years. So what I'm going to do here is I want to share with you a sample report so you can see what you're going to be getting when you complete this simple test at home, utilizing your own urine and with a simple finger stick for a drop of blood. As you can see here on page 1, we get an overview of the areas that are in the yellow and red, and it covers oxidative stress, mitochondrial dysfunction, which is the powerhouses of your cells and what gives you energy, omega imbalance, which are the omega oils we all know are good for us, but what are your actual levels? And do we need more omega-3 or omega-6 or a balance thereof? Do we have any toxic exposures? And methylation imbalance, which is crucial for the functioning of our DNA and our cells and to produce neurotransmitters so that our brain is functioning properly. So on this very first page, you see a scoring. Very simple to read and understand. 0 to 4, minimal need for support, 5 to 7, moderate, and 8 to 10, high need, and all of these categories. As we go to page 2, you can see in a very simple color-coded fashion, you could see your antioxidants, your B vitamins, your minerals, your essential fatty acids, and if there's a need for GI support. So what I'd like to tell my patients is draw a line down the middle of the yellow column, straight down as if you had a ruler. And what I like to see is everybody to the left of that line and nothing really to the right of the line. So if we draw a line straight down the middle of the yellow, what I like to do is see everybody to the left and no one to the right. So as you could see in this particular case, we would need to focus on some B vitamins, magnesium, a mineral, omegas, and improved digestive support. And that's an interesting category because that can then plug us into, depending on the symptoms somebody is experiencing, whether we need to delve deeper by doing a comprehensive digestive stool analysis. Here it tells us about amino acid needs that we can then replenish and supplement. And again, we have our interpretation at a glance that goes one by one and gives us our color scoring for each nutrient. What's really wonderful here is these different bullet buttons in different color-coded fashions tell us on the top, for example, looking at vitamin A, what it's good for, what happens if you're deficient, and why you might become deficient, the deficiency results and how it can affect you, and where you can get it from food. And that goes through every single one here so that you can actually be proactive and start doing something about it. As you can see, they give you a key, the function of the nutrient, the cause of the deficiency, the complication of deficiency, and the food sources of the nutrient. So it goes through every single section: B vitamins, minerals, essential fatty acids, and your microbiome and digestive support area. Then it gives us functional imbalances, which tells us about your mitochondria, which is the primary site for generation of free radicals, but also produces energy, methylation, and toxic exposure, which is very important because we're accumulating toxins over years in the environment. And as you could see through here, the Krebs cycle, all the various components of the test. Here's where the digestive function is coming out with dysbiosis in yeast and fungal, fatty acid metabolism, carbohydrate metabolism, toxin and detoxification markers, and oxalate and oxidative damage. So this is an amazing overview of your health and what's going on, and can really help identify nutrient needs and other aspects of your health that can help you achieve optimal wellness. And I think that is so important because this test is an accurate assessment of what's happening metabolically in your body. This Metabolomix is evaluating for over 75 metabolites that are very useful for discovering underlying causes of either chronic illness, or if you just want to know what is it that I need to make sure that my tank is full. So take the leap today and do this for yourself to start your journey towards optimal health.